Most people think crypto is just about getting rich. They're wrong. It's a technological and financial revolution happening in real time. While some people are here only for the gains, others see the deeper implications of crypto, how crypto is rewiring the internet, the financial system, and the physical world. But let's cut through the noise. Why should you care? Why do I still think crypto is our biggest opportunity, along with AI, even though many people lose money in it? What is it about crypto that most people still don't fully grasp? I'm going to break it down in a way that speaks to both beginners and those already deep in the space. Because whether you're just learning about crypto or already actively investing, the reality is this: crypto is much bigger than price charts. Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to my channel, Sovereign Stash. I grew a 6-figure crypto portfolio from scratch in just 3 years, and I've protected my gains. So now I'm on a mission to help more people realize the incredible potential of the crypto space to change their life, and to overcome skepticism that labels it all as a mere scam. I'm what some people may call a freedom maxi, and I'm in crypto because I discovered the real secret about crypto. It's not just about money, it's about freedom. The smartest people I know are using crypto to opt out of a broken global financial system. And in this video, I'll show you what they see and why it's still early. So if you seek more freedom in your life, you're in the right place. Hit like, subscribe, and you can also sign up for my free 5-day email starter course, Crypto Survival 101. It's a beginner-friendly way to avoid scams and start building a smarter portfolio. But it's not financial advice. I'm just a retail investor like you, sharing what I've learned because it pains me to see people miss out on crypto gains after falling for ignorant FUD and scams. All right, let's get into it. Most people don't question money. They work for it, save it, spend it. But actually, the second you zoom out, you realize the whole system is built against you. Inflation eats your savings alive. Banks decide when you can access your own money. And if your government fails, your wealth can disappear overnight. Crypto can fix this. It's not just an alternative currency, it's an alternative system. Bitcoin, for example, is a form of self-sovereign money. No bank can freeze it and no government can inflate it away. It's not just digital gold or a store of value. It's actually a parallel monetary system that operates outside the control of any single entity. But Bitcoin was just the beginning. Other blockchain networks have taken things further, creating new ways to own, exchange, and earn value beyond money itself. This is huge. Think back to the early internet. Nobody knew how big it would get. People laughed at email, dismissed e-commerce, and thought social media was a fad. Crypto today is like the internet in the 90s, but instead of just democratizing, or more technically decentralizing information, crypto is democratizing value. Some blockchains have gone beyond just money. They let people create and use financial tools, digital marketplaces, and even run entire businesses without needing banks or big corporations in the middle. New blockchain networks are building decentralized infrastructure. They're powering things like cloud storage for files and data, decentralized computation for AI and apps, and identity systems that don't rely on a single company, all owned and run by the people who use them. DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, allows people to contribute resources like internet bandwidth, compute power, and storage, whether it's personal files, business data, or even AI-generated content, and get paid directly for it. This isn't just speculation, it's literally the architecture of the future being built right now. Think of Uber. Right now, a single company controls the app, takes a cut from every ride, and decides who can participate. Now imagine a decentralized version. This is where the drivers and riders own the network together. Instead of paying a corporate middleman, the system runs on blockchain, and any fees go toward maintaining the network, not into the pockets of a single company. Drivers keep more of what they earn, riders pay less, and no corporation can suddenly change the rules or take a bigger cut. That's the kind of shift blockchain is enabling, not just for ride sharing, but for cloud storage, AI services, and even internet access. But let's talk about why this matters for you financially. In my opinion, we're in the early stages of the biggest wealth shift in modern history. Every major technological revolution like electricity, the internet, or mobile created generational wealth for those who got in early. Crypto is no different. The market is young, full of inefficiencies, and growing at an exponential rate. Unlike traditional finance, retail investors, people like you and me, can access early-stage opportunities before institutions take over. The risk-reward profile is asymmetric. meaning a small allocation into the right projects today could have massive upside in the long run. But this isn't about gambling on random coins. It's about understanding where the world is going and positioning yourself accordingly. Now, not all crypto is created equally. There are plenty of bad actors. So you need to get smart and distinguish junk crypto from those with real potential. And because crypto is a new asset class, even crypto with really solid fundamentals can be super volatile and drop like 80 to 90% of their value in a really short period of time. So you need to be realistic. Not every .com stock succeeded. Most failed. The early Amazon investors, for example, lost big before it soared and then they won big. Crypto carries similar risks. So if crypto is such a massive opportunity, why isn't everyone on board? Well, because most people don't understand it. The media has painted crypto as volatile and risky, which it is, but it ignores the fact that traditional money, called fiat currency, like the US dollar or euro, they've been losing value for decades. Governments print more of fiat whenever they want, which causes inflation. That means that your money buys less and less over time. In the last century, most major currencies have lost over 90% of their purchasing power. On the other hand, Bitcoin, as an example, was built differently. It has a fixed supply of 21 million units. So it can't easily be inflated away by government-issued fiat currencies. Regulators have struggled to define crypto because it doesn't fit into the old system. And banks and institutions have wanted you to think it's a scam. Meanwhile, they've been quietly accumulating and building their own blockchain strategies. The same thing happened with the internet. People dismissed Amazon, Google, and social media until they took over the world, and crypto's following the same path. The only question is, are you paying attention? This doesn't mean you blindly throw money into the market. It means you educate yourself and build a crypto strategy. Now, crypto can be intimidating and complex, and it's very easy to lose every cent you put into the market if you don't know what you're doing. But if you learn how, crypto can transform your life. But it's not a get-rich-quick path. If you get rich quick, you can lose it quick too. You need to understand crypto volatility and focus on crypto assets with strong fundamentals for long-term growth, and buy them only when they're cheap. Now, my channel will cover beginner and some more advanced content. You should watch both times because people who have been in crypto for a while sometimes lose sight of the basics that keep their portfolios protected and growing. And beginners, well, you need to keep learning more foundational knowledge every single day. This space moves fast. The best crypto investors are the ones who stay curious and never stop learning. The people who make real wealth in crypto aren't just trading or randomly gambling. They're betting on the transformation of our global systems. The key? Be in the game, but play it smart. Don't ape, don't YOLO, don't FOMO into random shills without doing your homework. Learn proper risk management techniques. Most people don't even know what that is. Crypto isn't just another investment. It's a shift in how wealth, ownership, and opportunity even work. The question isn't if crypto will change the world. It already is. The only question is, will you be a part of it? That's it from me for today. If these points spark something for you, don't stop here. Watch the two videos on screen next. One explains why you need a sovereign stash, and the other breaks down what the US government is doing with crypto. You'll never see the system the same way again after those two videos. Your support means everything to me. If this helped, please hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, and share this video with someone else who you think needs to hear it. And if you want a new crypto tactic every day for 5 days, don't forget to sign up for my free email course. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.